Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I posted. Been pretty busy with work. So I haven't had a chance to really post anything. But I have 3 weeks or so, I think. Unless I go back in on Friday. Because I was doing bus driving, obviously. Couldn't renew my CDL medical card, so I am stuck at home for at least 3 weeks, unless I get hired for an office job, which I will know by Friday. But other than that, I have 3 weeks or a few days to pretty much open up cards. Since the last video I made, I have been collecting cards, but I have some Pokemon cards that I didn't get to open. I did get the new set that came out like February or March. Other than that, I haven't really been able to look to see if there's anything new. But today I'm gonna go into sort of like Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon. So I have a bunch of these Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards that I got. I have some booster packs and some decks. Obviously, I'm trying to do these videos because I've had these laying around, and as you can see, their condition is getting worse by the day. So I'm gonna try and open these up, and hopefully I'll be able to store them somewhere. I'm not sure yet where. I may need to look for like a card box to store these in, because I think I'm also low on sleeves, so I'll have to see about that. But the whole idea is probably going to be to try and get through everything. I have the Pokemon, the 32 pack, or is it 36? I think it's 36. I haven't been able to do that one either, because since the last video I made, it seemed like I could reach them over here. I had said that I was giving away 4 packs. Or was it 2? No? I don't remember. I think it was 4 packs for a person. But since the last time I made that video... Focus. Since the last time I made that video, pretty much the person who won it, I commented, I believe, and I made a video about the winner. They never responded back, so these have been pretty much sitting around collecting dust. So I have to find a way to get these to somebody. So I guess if you want 4 packs, a chance to win 4 packs, make sure that you're subscribed and look for that'll be for the Pokemon video. I'm just trying to remember where I left off since last time. But for this video, we are going to do Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm gonna try and get through every single one of these boxes so that I can store the cards somewhere. Hopefully they don't get damaged. I'll probably go with most damaged cards first, or the decks. I mean, I don't know if the cards are damaged, but the boxes are a bit crumbled up. So I'll have to see the condition. And if the condition's not good, then I guess at least you get to see cards. So the first, is this a deck, or is this just cards? It's the Raging Tempest Special Edition. 2 of 4 rare cards. I think I may need to fix the camera a bit. Give me a moment. I remember how to operate the cam. I'm not sure if that's good or not. Anyways, we're doing the Raging Tempest. I don't know if this is a deck or this is just packs of cards. I remember getting these in the store like way... Used to be structure decks, and then the metal cans would be the ones that had packs in them. I guess these aren't structure decks. Anyways, got looks like 3 packs and a card. Let me see if I can open this up without damaging the card that's in the back or cards. So the 2 cards we have is a Mask Hero Blast and a Zodiac Cataroost. Now these are Yu-Gi-Oh cards, so I'm not exactly sure on the rarity of the cards, so that's something that I have to admit. I don't know what the rarity of some of the cards are. Actually, I don't know the rarity of any of the cards. I know Pokemon has... Okay, so we're going into the first pack. Now, I'm not sure. I don't think there's a card trick for this one, so I'm just going to open them up just how they are. It actually might be a very short video, except for the intro I had. So we have Ear of Millions, Ancient Gear Howitzer. We have a Shurunai style Samsara, Zodiac Bunny Blast, an Envoy of Chaos, Wind Witch Glass Spell, turn down the slides. It's too bright and I can't read. Oh, not be that. Do I have the camera light on? I think I have the camera light on. Which would explain why it looks so bright. I'll have to remember to turn that off in the next video. No. Got a Shino Bird Pigeon. That is real bothering. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me turn off the light on the camera, because it's really causing the glare on the cards.